Hey guys, Ashley here, and today I have dressed Emily all up in this like yellow, like it's like a onesie, but it's a dress, and this used to be mine when I was little. It is so cute. It fits her very well, and then I put the bow on that came with Maya, and I love how that goes with the dress. It's kind of the sticking with the flower theme. So what I'm going to be doing today with her is we're going to be having a photo shoot. And I'm going to take photos on the blanket and in the carrier. I've actually done a few already in the carrier when we first got out. And then we're going to walk around the yard with the stroller, and I'll probably use the carrier for some of the shots. And it's just going to be like a nature photo shoot kind of thing, as well as like a regular like photo shoot on the blanket. So I hope you guys like this. Yeah, let's go ahead and get right to it.